Hi, thanks for watching this video from the Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have a VW Caddy TDI, so 2015 model. So it's finished in silver, as you can see. It's the Highline model. So you get the colour-coded bumpers, mirrors, door handles, etc. from the factory. Nice spec van. Been the Highline, it's got the sat-nav and the Bluetooth as well. Full service history with it. We've just done pads and discs all around, front and rear, and the bottom arm as well. So it's had very light use for a van. It's not been a plasterer's van or a decorator's van. Ply lined in the back, all nice and clean. I think the person we got it from was a electrician. And he was the owner of the van as well. It's not a company owner, so it was his own van. Parking sensors as well on it. Nice and clean at the back. It's a no wiper on it as well with this one. Again, clean and tidy down there. Alloy wheels are all nice. Good mileage on this one. It's done 98,404. Again, all clean and tidy. Dashboard's not covered in scratch, scuffs, scrapes. There's not blobs of paint everywhere or everything that you usually get with a van. So it's already been through the workshop, as I said. We've already done quite a bit to it. It will be supplied with 12 months MOT. It's also supplied with a warranty. We can offer part exchange, finance as well. We do viewing by appointment only. So this is just to stop you having a wasted trip, and for people coming for vehicles we've already sold or someone's on the way for it. Quite simple, just ring us and make an appointment. We'll let you know if it's available, and then once you've set off, we'll hold it for you. If you can't come for a few days and want to secure it, or you only want to make one trip, you can pay a reservation fee. We'll put the 12 months MOT on it, and then you just come collect and drive away. Any questions, give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.